Hey girl, so let's go ahead and get right into it. As you can see, we're not even doing the intro. We getting right into the video. So I had did my natural hair, which if you saw my last video, then you know I just did a little bit of curl cream and then I blew like dried the hair with the blow dryer on low heat, and that was how I started. Basically, this time my hair looked after I finished. So after that, I was like, you know what? I want to add a little oomph to it and see what I could do with this half-inch curling iron that I got from Amazon. I haven't done wand curls or had a small curling iron, I don't know how long. So as you can see here, I'm literally going directly from a natural straight, no stretching the hair or anything like that, and I'm wrapping it around the curling iron. So I feel like with this, it allowed me to have much more volume than I would have if I had blew out my hair and then did the wand curl. I also feel like the curls last longer because my hair stayed curly for days, like as if I just curled it. And yeah, at the top, I decided to wand right from the roots versus lower down on the hair shaft. And I feel like this is nice for girls that are like straight naturals like me, that their curls are not necessarily as kinky curly as they used to be. And you know, you can do something like this where you still get to have the curly hair vibe, but you won't have that stretched look, as you can see on the piece of hair that I was just holding. So yeah, this is me just going through my hair, selecting random pieces, not even like parting or anything like that, and just taking different thicknesses and wanding it around the curling iron and then pulling it off like that. And then here, where I felt like I wanted to curl the bottom a little bit more, I just put it in the clamp like you normally would a curling iron, and then wrapped it and held it for a little bit. And this curling iron, like it was pretty quick, the process. Like it curled the hair quickly. I don't know if it's because the hair is kind of raw versus like stretched, but I didn't have to hold it that long. And yeah, like it was a quick process. So as you can see here, I pretty much made it through my whole head, and this is what the vibe is giving. Now you cannot tell me that this is not it. Like, come on, slow mo. Look how nice and thick and voluminous it is. Even one of my freaking coworkers was like, "Oh my god, is that a flip over sewn?" No, girl. This is all me. So I feel like the hair being natural definitely helped the voluminousness that it had. So now I'm just kind of working on my edges to give a cute little vibe in the front. I could have left them the way that they were, but I was like, I'm feeling like I just want a little bit of oomph to it. And I just wanted to style like a little baby hair on the side. So I'm just applying some, I think that is edge control, but I'm not sure who the edge control is by. But I'm just using my little hair store edge control brush that has a comb on the other side. And I'm applying the edge control with my finger on the hair gently, and then I'm just brushing it through and then swooping it back. This is, I always wear my parts on the left side, so my hair naturally kind of falls like this anyways. So I'm just kind of checking the temperature, seeing how far I want to push that hair back. So then I was going to do the baby hair on the other side, and then I was like, no, because you can't even see the hair when it's off to the side anyways. So now I'm just kind of touching up the other side of the part and just kind of cleaning up the edge right there. And now I'm just kind of looking at it because it's seeming kind of tight. So we got to zhuzh this a little more. So now I'm just kind of like playing with it, zhuzhing it, loosening up the curls a little bit now that they're nice and cooled down. So my hair could kind of fall the way I want it to fall. And yeah, just kind of pull at it, shake it. And that way you can have more of like a day two kind of vibe versus like a day one, because day one here is like ew, unless you got like a fresh blowout, like a salon blowout or something like that. But curls on day one hair is like immediately no. So now I'm kind of like I want to push this behind my ear because I like my hair like that. I do it all the time anyways. I think out of habit, just tucking my hair behind my ears. So I decided to push that back a little bit. And then I'm like, let me hit my little burns, my little sideburns. And I don't have like a lot of sideburn, but I do like slicking this little bit of hair back. I even do it when I have slick buns. I think it just looks cute and clean. But look at that. See, it's coming together as I, figure it out, see how I want it to look and lay. And now I'm just kind of like pulling some pieces apart and filling it around. And yeah, like that's how we got this look. So look at that. The bounce, everything. Come on now. Okay, so this is me judging my natural hair and working with like my hair that's heat altered or whatever. So this is the final look and I love it. I'm obsessed. And yeah, like I got my touch back. I feel like this is so pretty to me. Little baby hair moment, nothing too crazy. Behind the ear, that's how I like it. And yeah, so I feel like it's not that bad for the heat wise because I didn't really put any heat on my hair. I just blew it out with low heat. And then yeah, I put only one product in it and then I use my 1/2 inch curling iron to wand the hair. And this is what we got. So little natural hair moment for the girls. And yeah, I will see you in my next one.